In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not eligible to the For You feed. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your TikTok application. And now if in any case you're trying to post a video, but you see that you're not eligible and you can't see your post in the For You feed, it means that maybe you have any copyrighted content. So make sure that you don't have any copyrighted content. So the next thing you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down and select report a problem. Now you want to scroll down and just simply tap on submit a report. Now, from here, you want to provide TikTok with the details of your problem, which is you're not eligible to the For You feed and you can't see your posts in the For You feed. So just give a brief description and you can also add any screenshot or screen recording right here as proof of evidence. Now just simply tap on submit and TikTok will get back to you in a short while. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.